In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon Prime membership. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the online retail world, Amazon Prime can offer a host of benefits that make it worthwhile, from free shipping to exclusive deals and a vast library of streaming content. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily get started with this service. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Amazon's website. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in. For those who don't have an Amazon account yet, don't worry, creating one is a breeze. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and a password to get started. Once you're signed in, you're ready to explore what Prime has to offer. Next, you'll want to navigate to the dedicated Prime membership page. This is where you'll find all the information you need about the benefits of joining Prime. To get there, simply look at Amazon's top menu. You should see options labeled Prime or Account and Lists. Hover over these and you'll find the Prime membership section. Alternatively, typing something like amazon.com/prime directly into your browser's address bar should take you straight there. On this page, you'll find various membership plans and trials available to you. Amazon often provides a free trial period for new users, frequently 30 days, allowing you to experience all the benefits before making any financial commitment. Apart from standard plans, there might be special rates available such as discounts for students, so keep an eye out for those deals. Once you're familiar with the available options, it's time to choose the plan that best suits your needs. You might prefer a monthly membership, which offers more flexibility, or opt for an annual membership for a slightly lower cost over time. Remember, the availability of these options might vary depending on the country you're in, so be sure to check what's applicable for your location. In order to activate your membership, the next step involves entering your payment and billing information. Here, you'll need to provide a valid payment method, which could be a credit or debit card, among other options depending on where you live. It's equally important to confirm your billing address to ensure all transactions and communications are properly handled. Once you've entered your payment details and selected your preferred plan, it's time to confirm and start your membership. Completing this step will either process your payment or register you for a trial period, as applicable. You should then see a confirmation that your Prime membership is active, granting you access to all the exclusive benefits Prime has to offer. That's all it takes to start enjoying Amazon Prime. From fast, free delivery to an impressive range of streaming options and exclusive member deals, you're now equipped to make the most of what Prime has to offer. Happy shopping, and if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.